It has been a very, very wonderful weekend. And for sure, ngayon ay interesado naman kayo sa ating Career 911, Career Advice Corner, dito lamang po sa Voice of the Youth Network. Um, Lahat po tayo may mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay. At hindi laging masaya. Minsan malungkot, minsan natatakot tayo. Napakadaming emotions. At isa lamang po ang pinapakahulugan nito, na ang buhay hindi steady, nagbabago at nagbabago siya. Ngayon, ang challenge is paano ka makaka-cope doon sa pagbabago ng buhay, sa pagbabago ng mundo. Ngayon pong hapon, samahan ninyo ako sa Career 911 upang talakayin isa na namang napakagandang episode, segment, na nagdadala ng isang law, tinatawag na the law of the season. Okay. Letter sender po natin, bago tayo magsimula at bago kayo welcome ang guest natin ngayong hapon, ay si Ira from Quezon City. Ang sabi po niya sa kanyang letter, Mr. Lloyd, I have seen your blogs and I have read almost each of them. I'd like to thank you for the wisdom. I am writing because I am confused whether to quit my job or stay into it. I love my work pero marami rin ang naninira sa akin dito. Hope to hear from you. Thanks, Ira, for the letter. Well, given na sa buhay yung maraming maninira sa iyo Kahit may ginagawa kang tama, kahit may ginagawa kang makabubuti para sa iba, given na yun, maraming maninira sa iyo. Pero ang gusto kong sabihin sa iyo ngayong hapon, dalawang bagay lamang. Una, learn to hold on during rainy season. Bigyan kita ng kwento. 2 days ago, I was able to have a date. Yan, nakipag-date ako. And it was a very, very sweet moment for me. That really, merong kilig moment dun sa date na yon. And guess what? I treat the girl sa isang first-class restaurant dito sa Trinoma. And wow, ibang-iba talaga ang feeling. Para kang nasa heaven. But here's what. Your date is only as good as it is happening. Just like in your career, right? Hindi guarantee na may ginagawa kang maganda, well, forever na yon. Sabi ko nga, tulad ng isang magandang feeling kapag ka nagde-date ang mag-boyfriend, mag-girlfriend, ganun din sa career. Hindi laging Pasko. So, anong gagawin mo kapag ka hindi Pasko? Kapag ka nalulungkot ka, kapag ka may problema ka, kapag ka sinisiraan ka? Learn to hold on during rainy season. That's one law. Kailangan mo maging faithful at kailangan mo maging patient kasi right after the rainy season, right after the winter, sun will rise again and it will be summer. So that will be the harvest season. Number 2, kapag ka naman harvest season na, you need to prepare your heart to give. And you need to prepare your heart for the next winter. So sa trabaho mo, hayaan mo yung mga naninira sa'yo. Alam mo, problema ng mga tao, pag sila yung naninira, wala kang problema Ang may problema, yung mga taong naninira. So kung anong sabihin lang masama sa'yo, okay. It's okay. Walang problema sa'yo. Ang problema, nasa taong naninira sa'yo. So, help me to welcome our guest this afternoon. This is the second time that I'm going to mention his name kasi last time po, in-Indian niya po tayo. And that was the very, very first episode ng Voice of the Youth TV nang in-Indian niya ako. Anyway, everybody deserves second chances. So, here's my friend Henry Yap, Mr. Henry Yap, the president of Corporix International. Welcome to the show, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. All right, sir. Anong nagdala sa inyo dito?
Invitation from you.
Invitation, yeah. I can see that. That's why you're here. So, you are the president of Corporix International, right? Tell us something about this Corporix. Itong trabaho, itong negosyo ninyo. And let's see if Ira can get something from what we have learned from your business.
Well, for Corporix International, we started this last year with a vision which is to have an empowered Christian nation. And of course, our mission is to empower the nation. And
How did it start? Bakit niyo pinasok yung ganyang klase ng negosyo at ganyang klase ng branding?
well, for I've been in business for several years, no? And most of my business, no, of course, profit yung inaano natin, bottom line. But this is the first project that I did that I really, uh, masasabi mong proud ako na sabihin ko that I'm the author behind of this, no? Um, this, the whole thing kasi is about empowerment, no? So, which focus a lot on youth empowerment.
I see. So, in what ways? In what ways natin na-empower ang kabataan? In what ways natin na-empower yung mga consumers? Using this My Perks card. Kasi I've heard na itong My Perks card na to, tutulungan niya yung mga consumers na makapag-save, gamit itong card na to. So, tell us something more about the My Perks card.
Well, inunahan mo ako, but
Wala kang magagawa in the host, so please.
yeah, okay. Anyway, well, of course, as Core Perks launches, no, our initial act is My Perks, no. Yung My Perks card kasi is the first ever corporate perks card in the Philippines. And ang goal nun kasi is to make people feel good about themselves, no. So wherever they go, they got to enjoy the card, no. There are some privileges from our associate merchants. And of course, together with the My Perks is there's a community wherein you can learn from it, no, interact with it, and of course there's a lot of events that is associated with My Perks, no.
I understand that we are not just talking about we are not just talking about employee empowerment or youth empowerment. We are also talking about brand building. Maybe you can expound some more about yung brand building. How do you help companies to come up with their own branding strategies?
Well, as we mentioned earlier, this is the first ever corporate perks card in the country, no. Use most of the card kasi right now, may kanya-kanyang taggings, no. But hindi sila naka-design exclusively for a certain company. So what My Perks did is, ginagawa namin is, for a company, we design an exclusive design card for them to help them build their corporate brand as well, no? At the same time, we include their logos in all our exposures. Well, of course, My Perks is very aggressive in all events, PRs, and a lot of other media.
So, where are you right now? What are you working on as of this moment?
Citing from your example kanina, I can say na we are already in the harvest period, no?
But wait, before we go to the harvest season, by the way, what happened during the winter?
Well, yung nag-start kami, it's all discouragement actually. So kasi ang daming taong nagsasabi from the very start, oh, mahirap yan.
So meaning to say, at this moment, you can actually say na it's but normal na mayroong ganong klase ng discouragement.
Yeah, that's normal in every walks of life.
It's normal as well na magsimula ka sa winter season, yung hindi harvest.
Yeah, it is. Actually, for most of the business, talaga, mag-start ka, mahirap. That's why there's a saying in Chinese that everything starts hard. So, but you have to be determined and you have to have a clear vision lang kung ano ba talaga gusto mo and stick to it.
What did you do during winter?
Well, of course, we maximize our productivity, minimize our costs, no? And we went out to look for allies, that would help us to go through this winter season of ours.
Okay, so ngayon harvest season na. What else do you expect to happen in the next maybe couple of months, in the next couple of years? What else? I understand from the structure that I've seen, yung Corperks is meron siyang tatlong brand na parang in-under. So maybe you can just tell a bit about those brands.
Okay, just as I mentioned earlier, we started with My Perks. No, My Perks is the first ever corporate perks card in the country. It also promotes corporate branding for mga companies and mga merchants naman, we help you boost your sales, no? And next to it is Fit and Well, which we will be launching it on October 10. Fit and Well kasi it's a free seminar that would be given to around 20,000 people from various walk in life. Our goal is to promote physical fit and mentally fit, and of course overall wellness like career, finance, leadership, and of course most important is the spiritual. And we are also working with Ayala Young Leaders for a refuge. The refuge project is resources and fund generation. It
So in all of this, did you ever find fulfillment in what you're doing?
yes, actually.
In case may mga tao bang they're trying to just, put you down or pull you down because you're doing all of this stuff. Are other people who are doing that?
Right now naman, wala na masyado. No? But yung start, medyo marami. But I'm expecting in the future, meron pa rin yun.
Meron pa rin.
Ganun talaga.
Lalo na.
That's normal.
Alright. So Ira, if you can just listen to what Mr. Henry Yap is telling you, it's just I think and we believe that it's normal for you to have those detractors around you. You see, as I told you before, hindi naman forever yun, no? And that means na walang double night. Pag natulog ka ngayong gabi, just hang on. Darating yung umaga, hindi pa pwedeng gabi uli ang kasunod ng isang gabi. So yeah, what else do you expect from My Perks and your activities?
Well, for My Perks, it's a truly nation empowerment movement, and we believe that every Filipino can do something about it. Our current situation, and of course, hindi natin tatanggapin na we are just third-class country or third-class citizens. And we did it before, we can do it better.
Yeah.
Okay, as long as we are stick together.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Henry Yap. We would
Thank
like
you.
to have more of you in the next episodes that we're going to have here. Alright, in as much as gustong-gusto pa po nang mag-extend, wala po kayong magagawa, ayaw na po ng orasan naming tumakbo, it's 6 o'clock na naman po ngayon, at magpapaalam na po kami. Voice of Life Television po ay maaari nyo makita rin sa votitv.multiply.com. Mag-email din po sa votitv@gmail.com, at para naman po sa iba pang mga karagdagang impormasyon, pwede rin po kayong bumisita sa www.lloydluna.com. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Ito po ang Voti Television.